Welcome to this video with an introduction. Python is a programming language that merges features of C and Java. It provides an elegant style for developing programs, similar to C. For object orientation, Python offers classes and objects, much like Java. Its programming code is known for being easy to understand and develop. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 at the Center for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. Van Rossum sought a language to bridge the gap between C and the Bourne shell in Unix, leading to the creation of Python. Python is known for several key features, including its simplicity, making programs feel like reading English sentences. It is easy to learn, using very few keywords and a simple structure. Furthermore, Python is open source and can be freely downloaded from www.python.org. Python is a high-level language, which uses English words to develop programs, making it easy to learn. It is dynamically typed, meaning we do not need to declare variable types. Python is also platform independent, generating bytecode that runs on any operating system and hardware through the Python virtual machine or PVM. A program is portable if it yields the same results on any computer in the world, which Python programs are. Python is also a versatile language, supporting both procedure-oriented and object-oriented programming paradigms. Python has several different flavors or implementations. These include CPython, JPython, IronPython, PyPy, RubyPython, Stackless Python, Python XY, and Anaconda Python. The Python virtual machine, or PVM, converts Python's bytecode into machine code for computer execution. A Python compiler converts the program's source code into bytecode, which is found in a .pyc file. This diagram illustrates the process. Source code is compiled into bytecode. The PVM then interprets the bytecode into machine code, which produces the output.